Ooh guys, check this out. We got a care package from Parent Performance. I don't know exactly what this is, but you know what? It does say on the side. This is, wow. You guys have this part. You guys already know what this is, but I just want to say big thanks to Parent Performance. They are a great company. They've been supporting the channel for a long time, and they are one of the few big companies that support the small guys like myself. Once again, big thanks to Parent for sending out the care package. Just out of the way. License plate frame, and there you go. This is one of the things from Parent that I've been missing this whole time. I never did get their strut brace. I've always liked the way this looked. We've installed this, I know, a couple years ago on Jeff's car. And not only that, this is really, really easy to install. Not only that, this is the holiday times. This is a great stocking stuffer if you guys have or know a WRX or STI owner. So strut bar is in possession. We'll get that installed when we have time. And especially times like this when I can't really afford to buy parts. You guys really have come and helped support the channel in so many ways that you guys don't even know. First box I just opened, and second box is right there. First thing we're gonna do is pop open the hood. So we're gonna do something a little bit different here. I have a 17-year-old son, and he's not very mechanically inclined. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have him install one of the parts. Not only that, everything that Parent has sent me are great gift ideas. I know this is the holiday season. So if you have someone that you know of that has a 2015 up WRX or STI, once again, great items to put under the Christmas tree. Not only that, all of these are all very easy to install. So with all that said, let me kick my little boy off of Fortnite real quick and have him install one of the parts for me. We'll do the big box first. I want you to install that on the car. I want you to install it.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out. Open it up. Take it out the box and open it up. It's really easy.
I don't know.
That's gonna go right up here. Along those things.
You just undo these and things?
You're gonna loosen these up a little bit. All four on each side. You're gonna install the nuts on here. Real easy. You have to see which size it is. No, it's not. I guarantee it's not. Nope, that's not it either. What size does it say? 12? You sure that's where it goes? Car falls apart, it's your fault.
How much do I listen?
I don't know.
Look at this one? This one. This way?
I don't know, I'm not telling you.
No.
I can only go on one way.
Yeah, but look at it.
Try it.
There?
Put it on there. And see if it goes on.
Does it go this way? It does not go this way. What the hell? No, yeah, this moving.
Wait, you're supposed to be doing it. It's all done? Sure it's not gonna fall out?
Yeah.
Are you sure? If it falls out, it's your fault.
It's not even gonna fall out. These are the things.
What?
And I tighten those.
You did?
Yeah. It's making me that way, so.
Smoking in Fortnite. So there it is installed. One thing I wish he would have done was taken the time to look inside the box for the instructions, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna just check up on his work, make sure everything is torqued down correctly. So these, you just wanna make sure that not to over tighten these. I think these are only 5 foot-pounds according to the instructions, and these are only 14 foot-pounds. No need to over tighten the strut mount nuts. There it is, a very simple, easy install. If you're not mechanically inclined, that's perfectly fine. We've all been there. But all you need is a 4mm Allen and a 12mm socket. And there you go. Anyone can install this very easily. But yeah, anyways, let's go on to the next one. So I actually looked inside the box, and inside the instructions package, it does come with the 4mm Allen that you are going to need to use to install the part inside the car. So if you're afraid you don't have it, don't worry, they will include that with the product. But in the meantime, along came another box from Parent Performance, and let's see what they sent us. And yes, this is the Radiator Shroud, another product that has been out on the market for a while now. We've also installed this on Jeff's car a while back. yeah, another relatively easy install. Everything that you need comes in the box. I'll link the video of when we installed it down in the description below so you get to see what the channel was like back in the day, a long time ago. A lot has changed since then. Why am I closing this box? I don't know. So let me just take part of this out the box, and as you can see, they sent me the red color. This also comes in the black color, which is also cool. And if you look on their website, this is priced in the impulse buy category, which is I call $100 or less is impulse buy category territory. So yeah, not bad for the price and the quality that you get with these products. So next part. Now, funny thing is, we installed this on Jeff's car a couple years ago, so this product has been out for a while. Also, this is also an easy install job, so yeah, another good holiday gift idea for you guys, huh? What you guys think? Let's check this out. We got the actual product itself right here. We have the hardware, and I think there's something else in there also. So take all that. You have the actual mount that actually goes on the engine. Looks like nice high quality. So this is not gonna be a full install video. I will link our install video along with the whole bunch of others that are out there with this product down below. After searching all over the place for the stock engine cover mount, I finally found it in the most unsuspecting places. Now, chances are if you have your stock engine cover, you'll probably already have this on, but since I took my engine cover mount off because I no longer need it because I don't have my top mount intercooler, I took this part out. Thank goodness. I will probably tie that off somewhere else instead of having it flop around like that. This line is to the air oil separator, by the way. Got these rubber well nuts, which slip right in there, hopefully. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of Loctite. A little dab should be good enough. And we're gonna try to get it so the logo is kind of centered in a way, if we can. Go. All right, just about got everything installed right here, and so far I'm digging it. Although one thing I have to change is this blue little cover here. It just kind of looks out of place to me. You know what? I totally forgot. There is one more thing. Let me show you guys. It's a nice small product that I think everyone should have. Sorry if the footage is coming out a little dark. You know, it is kind of late right now. But anyways, here's the other thing that they sent me. I can't really use it because I no longer have the stock battery. And this is somewhere in here, is the battery tie down, which looks a whole lot better than the OEM piece. Why isn't it focusing? All right. Like I said, a whole lot better than the OEM piece, which looks like crap in comparison. Here's the OEM piece in comparison to the parent piece. And you can just see just how much better this looks in comparison to this nasty looking cheap OEM one. But I'll get this installed one day. But you guys know I do have the small Odyssey battery with the Melee Design Firm battery box. But yeah. There you go. Once again, big thanks to Perrin for always taking care of the smaller channels like myself and a few others out there. And let's get you a few beauty shots. I got one more thing for you guys, by the way.